Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for joining me for another 5 easy step card tutorial. Today we're using a few new items from Papertrey Ink. They're fabulous, especially the Into the Blooms Anemone die set. It creates a two beautiful florals. We'll be using this on our card, and then for my greeting we're going to be using the This Is Big Sentiments Love stamp set. We're going to be using the coordinating die set, and then I'm actually going to be using one of the photo frames in the Framed in Success die set. This is made for graduation, but I really love the frames that are in here, and we're going to be using this for our background. We're going to jump in with step number 1, which means we're going to create our focal point. Whenever I create flowers, I kind of like a color theme, so I picked out some cardstock. I have some Blueberry Sky, I have some Orange Zest, Simply Chartreuse, and then I also have some Spring Moss. All of these are cardstock from Papertrey Ink. I'm going to die cut out some foliage and some blooms, and I'll be right back. I love that these flowers are layering, and they're very easy to layer. I am going to add some color to the edges of my florals using some ink. For my orange flower, we're going to be using some terracotta tile ink. I'm just going to use a blending brush, and let me bring in my mat here. And we're just going to add a little bit of color on the edges here. That's all there is to that. And then for my blue flower, we're going to use Blueberry Sky ink, and we're going to add some color to the blue flowers also. For my foliage, we're going to add a little bit of some ripe avocado ink just to the edges. And that's all there is to that. To put together the flowers, it's very easy. We're just going to put one foam square in the middle here. And then we can add our first layer. And then I'm going to take a smaller foam square, I'm going to add it to the top of this petal, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue at the bottom. And then we can go ahead and add this. Then I can add a little dot of glue in the center, and we'll add our flower stamen here. And I did fluff up those stamen a little bit, and then we can add a little bit of glue behind our little white ring, and this is just going to make this pop right in the center. And that's all there is to that flower. This flower is just as easy. We're going to add a foam square on the back side here. We go ahead and layer this, and then we're going to add a little glue behind our stamen. We have this layer here that will layer perfectly right here, and I think I'm going to lower my stamen a little bit. Lovely. And then we have this little detail piece that we didn't do any ink blending on. We're just going to add a little glue. That goes layered down there at the bottom, and that's all there is to our florals. I do like to kind of curl up the petals a little bit, but those are our blooms. Didn't take any time at all. And then we have our leaves here. Now in our die set we do have the berries that go on here, but I'm going to add some liquid pearls to these because I think it's just going to make them pop and add dimension at the same time. So those are our florals. Now I'm going to flip these to the side, and now we're going to work on step number 2, which is creating our home panel. Now next, I created a photo frame. I just die cut this out with some Orange Zest cardstock, and then I put some white cardstock behind it. So now we have a photo frame, that we can put our florals on. This is such a really neat die set. Now I'm going to take our florals and we are going to layer them. I'm going to use my tape runner. We're going to add some adhesive behind here and we are going to tack them down here. I think that's the right spot for them. And then I'm going to add a little glue behind my foliage. And we're going to do some tucking up in this corner here. Now it's time to work on step number 3. We're going to create our greeting. I'm going to be using This Is Big Sentiments Love, and we're going to use the greeting that says is all you need. I put it on an acrylic block and I'm going to stamp this with my True Black ink, and I'm going to stamp it at the very bottom because we're just going to trim this out. Wonderful. And then I want to take the scripty love and I'm going to die cut this out with white cardstock. So there's my love. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to this bottom corner here. And then I'm going to take is all you need and place it at the very top. And then this is ready to go. I'm going to put this to the side. Moving along to step number 4, which is our background. Now I have an A2 panel of my Blueberry Sky cardstock. I'm going to take my tape runner and we're going to adhere this to the front of our card base. We will just cover this. Now I'm going to be using the same stamp that says is all you need, and then I'm also bringing in my Fresh Snow pigment ink, and what we're going to do is ink up our greeting, and I'm going to add some lettering in our back. This part doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just kind of going for a little distressed look, and our picture frame's going to cover most of it too, but we're going to overhang some of it and just stamp is all you need in our background. I think it just adds a little extra something for our background. Okay, I did put foam tape behind my photo frame with our florals. I'm just going to remove the release paper, and then we're going to take this frame and then we're going to add this right in the center of our card here. And last but not least, we're moving along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. I'm bringing in some of my moonshine sequins, and we're going to add a few in our background. And then I mentioned my liquid pearls on these berries, so we're going to just add some drops where the berries are supposed to go. And then that will finish off my card today for Papertrey Ink. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.